Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. My name is Shoaib. I'm the voice behind all the videos that you see on this website as well as our official YouTube channel, youtube.com/PMCLounge. If you're watching this on YouTube, consider subscribing. We are all about PMP and project management as well as other project management related certifications. Now, in this video, I wanted to actually show you how you can renew your PMP certification. So once you're already PMP certified, you know that the certification is valid for 3 years. Every 3 years, you need to report 60 PDUs. So once you're done with, let's say, your first cycle, 3 years, 60 PDUs, you're done. And now you are entering the next cycle, which is the next 3 years. So how do you renew your PMP certification? Let me show you that. And this was actually a question that came to me over email. And I thought, I'll create a video once I do it myself. So all that you need to do is go to ccrs.pmi.org. ccrs.pmi.org. You can go here and you can log in. Once you log in, it is going to show you some basic information. So you are, let's say if you have PMP, it says 0 PDUs remaining to renew because I've earned all the PDUs that were required. So I have 60 PDUs, 41 in technical, 8 in leadership, 11 in strategic and business. So I have the 60 PDUs that are required to renew. That means 0 PDUs are remaining. There's only 1 day until renewal because my end date, the renewal date is 20th of June 2022. And I can go ahead and renew now. So what you basically need to do is once you have the required 60 PDUs, it says here 60 PDUs required, 60 you have applied. All that you need to do is go to renew now. So click here and then basically you just have to make the payment and you should be done. So after you're done with the usual transaction that you do on any e-commerce website, of course, it had a lot of my personal information, phone address and everything, which I cannot show you. But after you're done with making the transaction, you enter your card details, make the transaction, and this is the screen that you're going to see. It says Project Management Professional PMP Certification renewal. So my certification has been renewed. Of course, there was a tax element as well that was applied. So 3475 in Indian rupees was the fees that I need to pay to PMI for certification, the PMP certification renewal. And then there was a tax of 625 rupees. So I paid a total of 4,100 rupees, 0.5 rupees for the renewal. And since I am a PMI member, I saved around 8,000 rupees. So this is how you complete the process of making the payment to PMI and basically renewing your PMP certification. One other thing that you can take care of is if you go to my.pmi.org after you have already renewed your certification, if you go to my.pmi.org, you will see your PMP certification. It is in good standing. It has been renewed. So how do you see it? You can actually go to view certificate. Once you do so, it will basically download the latest certificate, the latest version of your certificate, and it will also show you the new expiration date, which is now 21 June 2025. So that's how you can basically download your latest PMP certificate as well after you have renewed it. It's a very simple process, but since somebody had asked for it, I thought I'll create a video because I was anyways going to do it today. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. A lot of helpful videos if you want to know what PDUs are, since you need PDUs. If you want to know how you can get free PDUs, all those videos will be linked in the description. So do check them out. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.